Oh, blame the felon.
Yeah.
Blame the felon.
You're early, bud. Oh, no. Oh, great.
No.
We're late, so that's awesome. Crawdad's choked. Well, boys, we got the sheet metal delivered. Got the floor. Put another coat of paint on her today. Got some underlayment. Some nice soft cushion in her feet. It's going to be awesome. I still got to get some insulation for the floor, you know, the underside, and then we'll sheet that with something too. Vito Man. This is like the only one that I've come across that has the booster cables on it, and it just so happens that Tiffany's car needs a boost, so that's wholesome. A little bit of the cumbersome factor involved, being Fort Witt. Oh, I heard it. Fired it right up, boys. Nice. Vitoman to the rescue. The Vitoman, boys. Vitoman. Would you ever party with Diddy?
Did I ever party with a who?
Diddy?
Diggy?
Yeah.
I don't know Diggy.
Would you ever party with him?
Oh, I'd probably not. I don't like digging.
Yeah, you mustn't. Right? I apologize.
No Diggy.
Everybody's wondering if you party with Diddy.
I don't party with Diggy.
No? Okay. Sounds good.
Sorry.
Here we go. Should we shop him?
I don't smoke. I don't party with Diggy.
Oh, I almost fell up the stairs. Oh dear. Well, she's a little dent, but not too bad. Not too bad. Probably good enough for inwood, matter of fact. Get a couple pieces of trim up. Probably do the lights today. That'd be alright. Fucking lights on there. Decent. Oh no. Buble. Buble no good. Buble no good. It's like the third time I've gone to get one and forgot. Oh, Tremblini. Oh my goodness, boys. Oh, the fuck. Technologies of the LEDs are just cocking the camera. Oh no. Well, that's less than a good idea for the friggin' televised broadcast center, eh? For head office, if you will. What the dick? That doesn't like in there one bit. These LEDs, not too bad. These ones, no good. My wall, my new one. Watch him just f***ing Ricky the Steamboat off the top turnbuckle. Hey, you gonna Ricky the Dragon Steamboat?
WWE. Get up here and then, oh, you need a table down there and just do the old body slam.
Ted DiBiase off the top turnbuckle and shit.
Oh, critters.
No.
Yeah, one just flew down there and landed on the top of that toolbox or something.
That's a hornet. That's good.
Here.
It's my good hornet. Hopefully the lens just filled with hornets. Eh? Well, she's a mite bit foggy, oh boys. Mystical, if you will. So that's handy. It's crazy. You can see way better in the camera than you can in real life. so just use the camera as my guidance. But anyways, going to get the felon. Got to pick up a desk, maybe. We'll see. Depends how dicked it is. And then, yeah, Crawdad's coming over. We're gonna finish the siding and this and that. We got the man lift working. Showed you that last time, but I'll give you another Santos of the Whitword onto accordance, just in case. You never know, right? Might come in handy, the informations that I was able to acquire. But anyways, go get the fella and grab this desk, get back to Inwood. How's that? Oh, fuck. Careful. Medic. Good? I'm good. Quit. Yep. Cameraman craw or what? Yeah. Oh, Dick. Nice. $49. 49 minutes. Still got a couple screws to put in, but yeah, that's how long it took. This is basically the executive suite. There. Fucking head office, if you will. Not too bad. Oh. Come springtime, we'll knock this window out, cut the plastic, affix the window in the permanent fashion and trim it out, and call her a cigarette, boys. Just look on. Oh shit. Anyways, yeah. Takes 1,100 quarts. That's what he said. 0.20. 0.20. Synthetic. Yeah. Hope you're happy. How many? Oh. $100? He sends you a friggin' Fram filter. Doesn't. Crowdads be trying to use Fram filters, boys. Give them stern talks. Oh shit. Oh, Dick, I need a chair now, boys. Sit over here. Holler commands and shit. I don't know. A TV here, probably. Ashtray. Bunk beds. What happened? Yeah, this turned out not too bad for amateur hour. You know what I mean? For freaking amateur hour, that's not too bad. It's like almost straight. Like if you looked like down it, it's like pretty good. Almost, not too bad. Good enough for inwood. Oh yeah, and check this out, dudes. These guys, where's their logo? Where's their thing? Did they send any bit of the package? What is it from? It's from shipping department. There's been a couple places wanting to send me Sylvanatus parts since I friggin' started working on Sylvanatuses. Hey, there's shock absorbers and friggin' stainless steel headers, hey? Awesome.
Nice of you to buy them for crawdads.
Right?
Put them right on crawdad stuff.
Here, aim that at stuff. Can you aim that at stuff?
Aim it up.
You gotta put your hand right in the way. There you go.
Oh, okay. Careful.
I'm trying, but I need a little more shit in the way. Let's see if we can determine the Buddy called when I was up on the thing too.
Oh, crawdad's gonna love those.
Oh dear. He's got the wrong year, I think. He's got the wrong year truck. This is for 0613. Or 0713 or something. Decent. The crossover tube and everything.
We ought to be able to use those to gibble her together.
Friggin' exhaust gaskets. Ooh. Look at the state of these bolts though. They look like the white metal. What do we got over here? More awesomeness. Decent. Mine are all rusty and crusty and stuff. So that'll fix it.
Yeah. Put those on crawdads and take crawdads and put them on the blue one. Ah, that'll be perfect.
Yeah. Just do the old switcheroo.
Scores.
Scorsese. What happened?
Oh, just put your hand right in front of it.
I tried. Oh yeah, but those look all right. Bit of a component for the rig there. And these guys. Yeah. Let's even get the port for the friggin' O2 sensor. That'll be awesome. My new one that's probably just chazzled. Decent.
Oh, it comes with its own garbage?
No. What you found? Coupler. Oh,
Reducers.
it's probably to fit onto the factory R-skull maybe. And then a bigger one. Nice. Got a couple 3 adapters. I'll have to check my my emails. I think it's like Shark, this and that, Shark Labs or something sent this. I'll have to try to figure that out. Put links in the prescription and stuff, so they can get their own for their Sylvanauts.
All that up. How are you gonna hook up a muffler if you don't have it?
Right? They best send that.
Well, that would make sense, wouldn't it? If
You know,
like
it's just
that,
stainless
you
steel.
need the rest
This,
of it.
yeah, the rest is all rusty and stuff. That's no good. We'll have to send them an email. What happened? Yeah, only 4 sheets left. That's not too bad. We'll get this out of here. I got some other truck I
Oh, I
gotta
know.
work
You
on.
could just set that aside, that project aside, until you can get mufflers,
Yeah.
pipes and clamps and stuff.
Well, Buddy's gonna have to tune it for that anyway, so we'll get the intake and the exhaust, so get all the parts ready, and then he'll have to come down and we'll swap it out, tune it up. Be awesome. In the meantime, I can put my shocks on and my struts. Freaking awesome. But this thing needs like a U-joint and a drive shaft or something. This. I'm gonna try to change that. We'll get this thing out of here and that out of here and frig around a little bit. And Grim is your sister.